This is Scott Farms 2020. I believe they're what they are called lay-by spraying on this cotton field. With a lay-by applicator, it actually directs herbicide up under the canopy of the leaves of the cotton plant. And this is a brand spanking new 2020 John Deere tractor, the new 8Rs. I don't know what size it is. I just seen them in the field just a minute ago. But they're running these 12-row lay-by herbicide applicators. And these are 900 series LMC sprayers. And this is an 8R 280. And actually this is not a lay-by herbicide applicator. I just actually got to see it. This is a nitrogen applicator. And this is their second 8R. Most likely it's a 280 as well. And it's running the same LMC 900 series nitrogen applicators. They used to run a lot of these lay-by applicators back in the 90s, and I thought that's what it was, and I was kind of surprised when I seen them, and I was like, man, I hadn't seen anybody running a lay-by applicator in a while. Most of the ones that we used to run were before Roundup Ready cotton. They must have just gotten these tractors within the last month or so, because they didn't have them this spring when they were planting, getting their crops ready. These must have been bought to replace their 8245Rs. I actually got behind these tractors coming back from town yesterday. When I passed them, I didn't actually even look to see what they were. This is Scott Farms 2020 nutrient application, cotton. This is one of their brand new 8R 280s with an LMC 900 series nitrogen applicator or nutrient applicator. They've got two of them out running in this field today. Both of them are 12-row applicators. And these are the first 8R series tractors I've seen. Yeah, as I was coming home yesterday from town, I got behind both of these tractors with these applicators on them, and one of Green Circle Farms R4045 sprayers, all in a line. And you want to talk about some pissed off people. I was laughing my butt off the whole way back because I was in no hurry to get around them. I finally did pass them, but it was when I had a clear open shot. These city folks, man, they were trying to pass, whipping around, about getting run over by traffic. I was just, man, what idiots. Everybody's in a hurry. And this is the second 8R280. Well, it's going to take me a while to get used to saying 8R before the horsepower number. I'm going to try to zoom in on this one to see if it is a 280. Most likely it is, but and if I'm seeing flies fly around, yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I didn't realize it when I stopped the film. Somebody's done run over a snake about 15 foot from me, man. The flies are all around it. Mr. Garter snake didn't quite make it. And he's going through an extremely wet spot right there. So I'm not 100% sure if they even planted through that wet spot this year. But it looks like if they did, they kind of mudded it in because he was having some issues getting on the road. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out some other videos on YouTube under South Georgia Farming. Thanks for watching.